Hey everyone, Jerosaurus Rex here, and I actually have a face. I know, mental. Okay, so today's video is something a little bit different. Very recently I've had a massive urge to get back underwater. I absolutely love being underwater. I love like snorkeling, I love looking at fish, I love all of that. And one of the best ways to do that I've read up on was to do scuba diving. Scuba diving is something I've always wanted to do, it's just something I've never actually done. So, my dad was very kind enough to pay for me and him to go to do an introductory session in scuba diving. It's going to be in a pool, it's not open lake or anything, so there's not really going to be a lot to say, but what I wanted to do was share my experience of that day with all of you. I've actually got bigger things planned in the near future, spoiler alert, something big quite happening in January, which should be a lot of fun. Yeah, I'm not going to ramble, so hope you enjoy. Leave a like, comment if you did, and I will see you all later. Going to the Scuba Dive Centre in Catering. What's the actual place called?
Oyster Dive Centre.
Oyster Dive Centre, there you go. So I'm going to explain now. Dad has actually scuba dived before, he's actually got his licence 18 years ago. So for him this is going to be a sort of refresher session. It's going to be my first one, so should be interesting. Just a quick interruption from me, there's some fish on the screen for entertainment purposes in case you don't actually want to listen to my voice. So I need to explain that due to the policy of the company that I was scuba diving with, I was not allowed to show the face of the voice of the instructor, which is why you won't see him. You may get a glimpse of him or two underwater, but that'll be all. Secondly, as this was the first scuba exercise, we went through some very basic things such as recovery, respiration, rescue, clearing goggles underwater, and buoyancy. All the stuff you'll see in the video is sped up for the purposes of getting through the video, but those are the reasons why it looks like we're not actually doing anything. Thirdly, the on the left on the screen was another person doing the course that day along with myself and my dad, and has given me full permission to film that day. One last thing, the lights in the pool did not like my camera very much, so there may be shots that are blurry, pixelated, but that will be why I'm sorry about that. There's not a lot I can do about it. It does look like it's been shot on a potato, but I assure you that's not the case. Anyway, back to the film. I hope you enjoy.